Welcome to our channel Ask Prep.
India's tallest statues. Did you know that India is home to the world's tallest standing statue? And can you guess which statue holds the title of the second tallest? Well, let's not keep you in suspense any longer. We are here to take you on a tour through India as we unveil the 10 tallest statues in our magnificent country. 10. Thiruvalluvar Statue. The Thiruvalluvar Statue in Kanyakumari is not merely a splendid work of art, it is a timeless masterpiece that captivates generations. Standing tall at 133 feet 41 meters, its magnificence can be admired from afar, dominating the landscape with the deep blue sky and the resplendent sea as its backdrop. Perched on a rock adjacent to the Vivekanand Rock Memorial, the Thiruvalluvar Statue in Kanyakumari is a mesmerizing sight that leaves spectators in awe. 9. Veera Abhay Anjane Hanuman Swami. Welcome to the magnificent Paritala Anjane Temple, home to the AWE-inspiring statue of Veera Abhay Anjane Hanuman Swami. Situated in the quaint village of Paritala along National Highway 9, it is a mere 30 kilometers away from the city of Vijayawada in Andhra Pradesh. Standing tall at a height of 135 feet 41 meters, the Veera Abhay Anjane Hanuman Swami statue proudly holds the title of one of the tallest Lord Hanuman statues in the world. 8. Ma Vaishno Devi Murti. Ma Vaishno's 141 feet 43 meters statue stands proudly as the main attraction of the Dham. This colossal neoclassical sculpture graces the land that holds the legendary childhood home of Lord Sri Krishna. The statue is a stunning depiction of goddess Vaishno Ma, dressed in a vibrant red-colored Indian sari. Adorned with graceful imitation trinkets and elegant weapons, the statue symbolizes her authority and protective nature. 7. Muthumalai Murugan Statue. The AWE-inspiring Muthumalai Murugan statue of Lord Murugan, standing tall at a magnificent height of 146 feet 44.5 meters, is a true marvel located in the Salem district of Tamil Nadu. With a touch of creativity, this statue proudly holds the title of being the tallest Murugan statue in the world. It was skillfully constructed by a trust in Puttaragondampalayam, surpassing even the Pathumalai Murugan statue in Malaysia. Introducing the world's tallest five-faced Hanuman statue, the AWE-inspiring Panchamukhi Anjane Swami. Standing at a towering height of 161 feet 49 meters in Karnataka's Bidanagere, this majestic gold-hued sculpture is an absolute marvel to witness. With its 5 distinct faces Hayagriva, Narsimha, Garuda, Varaha, and Hanuman himself, this statue is a true testament to the divine beauty of Indian history. 5. Lord Hanuman Statue. Behold the magnificent Hanuman statue, a true masterpiece that stands proud and tall at a towering height of 171 feet 52 meters in India. This AWE-inspiring creation takes its place among the tallest statues of Lord Hanuman throughout the entire country, surpassing even the renowned statue in Rio de Janeiro. Majestically positioned on the tranquil banks of the Vansadhara River, in the captivating town of Madappam, Srikakulam, nestled within the beautiful state of Andhra Pradesh. 4. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Statue. Standing proudly beside the Telangana Martyrs Memorial is the magnificent Ambedkar statue, which is the tallest in its vicinity and faces the Buddha statue. This AWE-inspiring monument is situated on a sprawling 11-acre premises, with 2.93 acres dedicated to beautifully landscaped gardens and lush greenery. With an impressive height of 175 feet 53.34 meters, the statue was designed by renowned sculptors from the Statue of Unity project, commemorating the 132nd birth anniversary of the esteemed Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. 3. Statue of Equality. The magnificent Statue of Equality stands tall with a magnificent height of 216 feet 65.8 meters as a tribute to the revered 11th century Vaishnavite Ramanuja. This AWE-inspiring statue finds its home on the premises of the esteemed Chinnajiyar Trust, nestled in the enchanting Rangareddy district, just 36 kilometers away from the bustling city of Hyderabad. 2. Statue of Belief. The Statue of Belief, also referred to as the Vishwas Swarupam, is an AWE-inspiring sculpture situated in the charming town of Nathdwara, nestled in Rajasthan. Soaring to an impressive height of 369 feet 112 meters, this remarkable statue portrays the divine form of Lord Shiva, making it an unparalleled masterpiece. Recognized as the tallest of its kind globally, it stands as a testament to faith and devotion. 1. Statue of Unity. Introducing the Statue of Unity, a monumental tribute to the revered Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India. This extraordinary statue stands proudly at an astonishing height of 597 feet 182 meters, claiming the prestigious title of the tallest statue in the world. Nestled in Gujarat, on the serene banks of the river Narmada. From a distance of 3.2 kilometers, visitors can marvel at the breathtaking view of the Narmada Dam Sardar Sarovar Dam.